channel. My name is Anonymous, and today I'll be cooking for you guys. And what I will be cooking is a pot roast. What you will need for this recipe is a crock pot, a slow cookers by McCormick for a pot roast, mixed vegetables of your choice. I will be using this and the rest of these. And a little bit of extra seasoning. I have Tony Satchers, some garlic pepper, some parsley, and minced onion. I also have 4 potatoes, and my roast is sitting in water. So I just got done peeling my potatoes, so what I'm going to do is wash them off once again and chop them up. I like cooking in crock pots because all you have to do is add everything and it'll be done. So you wash off your potatoes after you peel them. So then you get you a good knife and you cut them in blocks. And I just cut mine in half, cut the half in half, and make blocks. Now just dropping everything in. It don't matter the size. You can chop them however fine or however large you would like them. Mine are not any particular size. I'm just chopping. Like I said, the vegetables are totally up to you. You can use Brussels sprouts, asparagus, green beans, corn, carrots, whatever you like. Four potatoes are in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my roast in and put my veggies and seasoning on the top. And I did put this in cold water. You don't want to put your meat in warm water. Put it in cold water. This is a pretty roast. It's really pretty. A little fatty on the ends. But it's still pretty overall. So I'm just going to drop that in here. And I'm going to plug up. I don't know if I want to cook this on low or high. Probably want to cook it on high because it's a bit late in the afternoon. So then I'm going to add a little seasoning because I'll be using this. The only reason I'm using seasoning because I really don't know how this is going to taste by itself. I always add seasoning, but you don't have to add extra seasoning if you don't want to. So I'm just adding a little. And I'm sorry I didn't measure. Like I said, I'm just using a small amount. This is minced garlic I'm using. I use the seasoning first, the garlic pepper second, minced garlic, and I'm using my parsley. And I just really want my roast to be very evenly seasoned. And wow, I don't have any parsley in here. So I'm gonna flip it over and season the other side because you want your roast to be evenly seasoned. Okay. So then I'm going to add my slow cooker savory pot roast seasoning mix. And I'm going to do half on one side, half on the other side. And I like to rub so I can get on the sides because side is an important part, and if you miss it, I feel like you'll be missing that flavor. So make sure you get it all over. All over. And I just turned it on so it can start to get that even, get warm. And I am gonna go ahead and use the whole pack, but I try to pour it around the side. And then, according to the packet, you need 1 cup of water to go with this seasoning mix. I put 1 cup of water in here. Maybe a little bit more than 1 cup. And then I'm going to add my steamable frozen vegetables. The only reason I'm using this because it's not a lot, and I wanted to go ahead and get it out of my freezer. The mixed vegetables, I poured off a little of my my juices, and I had to open it the best way I can because my can opener just broke. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. Hopefully I can get it all out. I'm just gonna move my veggies over to the sides of the roast. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before it gets done. This is how everything is looking inside of the pot. The potatoes are on the bottom, vegetables in the middle, around the roast. And I'm going to put the top on this and cook it for about 3 or 4 hours. I'm going to keep checking on it every hour though, but I'm going to cook it for at least 3 hours to get it real nice and done. And then I'm going to come back to show you guys the finished look. So I'm back with the update. It's been almost 2 hours since I put it on, and this is how it is looking. Looking good, looking good. It smells really good. I'm not sure if I should flip this over or just let it finish cooking on its own. I don't really think it matters, so I say in the next 2 hours it should be completely done. I said this is 2 hours, and I flipped it over so you can tell that it's not done. But I will be back in about 2 more hours to let you guys know what's the deal with this. But I'm thinking it will be done in about 2 hours. So it is 5:45, and this is the final look. I'm sure that it's done. It has been cooking since 12:15. I started cooking it on high, but I turned it to low, and I know that it's done. I kind of chopped it up a little bit, so I hope you guys can see it. I made it turn on some more light, but it is done. I haven't tasted it yet, but I will soon. I hope that this video was informative for you guys. I hope that you come back and watch more videos. If you liked this video and it helped you in some kind of way, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.